Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, a risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another best strategy, best binary option strategy video. Yes, we're going to show you those kind of strategies which are used by scammers. I have found this one, which is nice to, which I want to show you. And it's a little bit complicated to set up the indicator. It's an awesome indicator with 35 and 4. You know that makes no difference, yes, but this is what the settings are for the case that you will see this kind of strategy somewhere. So 6, 4, 3, yes, that is the stochastic oscillator. Settings, and then the MACD with the default setting, and that is already so. And that scammer is telling that yes, that you have to enter exactly now. This is a moment. This is one of those moments where you have to enter. Why? Because the awesome oscillator candle should be red. The blue line should be below the red line, and the MACD candle should be red too. So here's everything done. Here it looks like a double top will forming, yes, and that's the reason why I entered here into a put, expecting that this will be in the money. So obviously you cannot enter only based on indicator. Yes, you should understand that your entry point should be chosen by by price action. Yes, only by price action. And for this reason, I have to recommend to anybody to get this kind of ebook, which I have done. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook. It's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So here we have a next moment which is not working because we have here a green candle on the awesome oscillator. Yes, we have the blue line is above the red line. This is also, but the third condition is wrong. Yes, and that's the reason why we will not enter. And yes, and the price action was looking also not so nice. Yes, now the color changed. Yes, and maybe we will get another trade on the next candle because it looks like we are getting not a double top here. It looks like we are having here some kind of uptrend. So on the next candle, I will prepare to do a call. A nice Marubozu candlestick, all conditions are met. And an engulfing candle in combination with a Marubozu candlestick, this is a clear call. And that's the reason why I'm entering here into a call, because I'm expecting now that price will push against this level and going up. Yes, you see, at the end, if you know price action, you don't even need to add any kind of indicator. Yes, you can trade also only by understanding the confluence of those kind of conditions like engulfing candle, Marubozu candlestick, yes, uptrend, and those kind of concepts. All those kind of concepts which I have explained in detail in my ebook over and over again, yes, which you should be able to apply. But this indicator settings are not bad. You see they are working nice. If you have a little bit understanding on price action, you can do here easy your trades. So, and now let's see if I can show you another trade. Yes, we have here still the blue line is still above the red line. The awesome oscillator candle is green, but the awesome oscillator of the MACD is red. Yes, that is not the condition, and I'm not sure what's happening here. Yes, because we have here, yes, it was above this level. So yes, maybe we are getting now into a reversal again because we are reaching here this kind of extreme level. Yes, and you see there was already a rejection. So, and this is going down here. So, but it looks like we have still an uptrend here, yes. Now we are overbought area, so that looks no good. I will enter into a call if price will get back a little bit more, yes. So if price will get down, at least to the high of the wick, I will enter into a call. Okay, I think it will not go down, but I will not enter in this kind of bad condition. No. I will not enter in this kind of condition because I'm sure that price will retrace back. There was already a rejection, which gone exactly on the high of the previous candle closing price, what was not so nice. And that's the reason why I will stay out of this trade, because I'm expecting that price will retrace back in the last few seconds of the expiration time. But in this case, it looks not like this, yes, because you see here the signal line from the MACD is really pointing up. So, okay, now we are getting maybe in a reversal. I will wait till I understand from the price action what will happen, because you cannot trust only the indicators. That is impossible, yes. To do your trades only based on indicator, you have to understand price action. And price action here means if this will be a doji, it shows me weakness in the trend, in the market, and that is an opportunity to do a put. If this line here, stochastic line, will cross the red line and pointing down, yes, that one will change the color. So let's see. It looks like we have still an uptrend. 1.140. Here's the support and resistance level. Okay, I will do a call again. Why? Because this is green, and the blue one is still above the red one. And so I'm expecting that price will continue to going up, because we have here a nice uptrend still. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call instead of a put. So let's see what's happening. Also, if the previous candle is weak, it looks like a retracement candle. It's a retracement of this uptrend. And so I'm pretty much sure that price will continue to going up because of the reasons which I have mentioned before. Yes, because if this kind of high wave candle would not have been green, I would have probably doing a put. Yes, but in this condition, I understood that price will continue to going up. It will maybe finish as a doji. Yes, let me see. Yes, okay, it finished like a doji, and that is the reason more. Yes, to see what's going on. So, okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.